Am I the only one that didn't know cracking knuckles doesn't cause arthritis? Let's set the record straight. So what's really happening when you crack your knuckles? It's all about the gas bubbles. When you stretch or bend your fingers, you're pulling the bones apart, creating negative pressure. This causes gases like nitrogen to form bubbles in the joint fluid, and when those bubbles pop, crack. But does this lead to arthritis? Science says no. Multiple studies have shown no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. Your joints are safe, folks. However, if you feel pain or notice swelling, maybe ease up on the cracking. Better safe than sorry, right? So, crack away without worry, and remember, not everything you hear is true, i.e., stay curious, my friends.